Moxy found a playground on a sunny day. Slide and swings and merry-go-round, let's go play! Whoosh down the slide, kick up to the sky. Round and round and round, watch Moxy fly. Ox sat by the slide with a little quiet groan. Ugly dog on the bench, feeling all alone. Moxy spinning, spinning, then she stopped to see. Oh, where are my friends? Are they waiting there for me? Hand on her heart, she felt it deep inside. She walked right over and she sat down by his side. Wait a minute, look and see. Friends are waiting, friends are hoping. Where's a place for me? Scoot on over, make some room. That's how good friends play. 1 and 2 and 3 of us better together today. Wave him over, ugly dog, come too. 3 little friends and there's room for you. Climb the ladder, slide together, whee! Now we're playing 1, 2, 3. 2 little swings and there's 3 of us today. Moxy had a big idea, here's a brand new way. Push for ox, push for dog, back and forth she ran. Then they pushed Moxy high, what a happy plan. Seesaw bouncing, ox stands tall and balances right. Merry-go-round spinning slow, holding on so tight. Up above a fluffy cloud shaped like a heart. 3 best friends and they're never gonna part. 1 is fun, but look and see. Everything is better with you and me. Share a slide, share a swing, share a laugh, share everything. Better, better, better together. Better, better, friends forever when we share our fun. You and me, all the fun is times by 3. Hand on her heart at the top of the slide. 3 little friends hugging side by side. Times by 2, times by 3. Moxy, ox, and dog, friends are we.